In an unprecedented move, Hollywood actors and writers unions launched a joint strike in the summer of 2023. They are demanding better wages and regulations on the use of artificial intelligence, AI, in the entertainment industry. Tech giants like Disney and Netflix heavily invest in AI, creating concerns about the potential replacement of human talent by generative AI. This strike, the first time actors and screenwriters have united since 1960, has brought Hollywood to a standstill. The issues are multifaceted, with streaming services drastically changing the industry's landscape. Screenwriters and actors face shorter periods of guaranteed work, reduced residuals, and the looming threat of AI taking over their roles. Deepfake technology demonstrates AI's potential, raising fears about creative talent replacement. While AI has been valuable, the fear of it dominating the industry worries striking professionals. The strike's impact extends beyond Hollywood's current turmoil. The movie industry faces a critical juncture, with studios relying on established franchises and remakes. Nevertheless, moments of crisis can lead to creative explosions. AI-powered tools might make filmmaking more accessible, fostering a new generation of creators pushing storytelling boundaries. Despite challenges, the strike presents an opportunity for a renaissance of creativity. Filmmakers may embrace AI to enhance their storytelling prowess. A future with AI-enhanced movies on platforms like YouTube and TikTok is plausible. Hollywood's grappling with AI's impact could reshape the entertainment landscape. Only time will tell if this crisis leads to cinematic innovation or a prolonged struggle for traditional creative roles. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to support independent news.